Welcome guys, welcome to my channel Adhyan with Pro. So let's start with the seed. Now guys, we move towards the ending of this chapter. Guys, seed, how they form. Ovules after fertilization developed into seed. What is ovule guys? I previously talked about. This is the female reproductive organs part. This is what? This is stigma. What is this? This is style. What is this? This is the ovary. And what they form? They form what guys? They form ovules. Yes or not? Yes, guys, they form ovules. And now, when the pollen grain reach towards the where stigma, they generate what? They generate pollen tube, and this pollen tube goes towards the ovule part and fertilize what? This cell, egg cell. And now then seed will form. But what is different? What is dicotyledon and what is monocotyledon, guys? How you identify that this is the dicot seed, this is the dicot plant seed, and what is the monocot plant seed? Simple. What? Very simple. Look at here. Such a beautiful diagram. Structure of dicotyledon seed. Guys, this is the one cotyledon and this is the another cotyledon. If I repeat, if seeds have two cotyledons, then they are dicot plant. Simple. That's it. That's it, guys. That's it. If seeds contain 1 and 2 cotyledon, it means they are dicot seed. Up anybody can ask what is cotyledon, why these are important, guys. They are full of food material. They contain lots of food. So plant development, they give their main role. They provide food material for growing part. This part in future moves upward and they form what? Shoot system. What we say, this part? Plumule. And this part in future they goes towards the gravity and what they form? Root system. The name is radicle. R means radical, R means root. Okay, remember this thing. Now this is clear or not? This is clear or not? These cotyledon will reach. These cotyledon rich in what? Food material. So you can easily identify dicot seed. Now guys, what is monocot seed rule? Simple. Dicot seeds have two cotyledons and monocotyledons means monocot plant. What they have? They have only single cotyledon. That's it. Okay guys, that's it. They contain two cotyledons. They contain only single cotyledons. If seeds contain single cotyledon, it means they belongs to monocot family. That's it. Example is maize plant. Now look at here. Look at their structure. Radicle is same. What they form in future? Root system. Scutellum, plumule. What is the future of plumule? They form shoot system. Now guys, I tell you about what is scutellum and what is aileron layer. Guys, listen to me very carefully. Guys, listen to me very carefully. That what is the role of aileron layer in monocot seeds? Guys, this is the proteinaceous layer. This is the what? Proteinaceous layer. And they are very helpful in seed germination. Yes. These are very important for what? Very, I'm star marking here. Very important for seed germination. And now, who promote this seed germination? Who promote? You already study about plant hormone. Another name is phytohormone. And the credit goes to seed germination is what? Gibberellic acid. Yes, guys. This is the NEET level question, IIT JEE level questions. Guys, who promote? Which phytohormone promotes seed germination? The credit goes to gibberellic acid. This is the phytohormone, this is the plant hormone. They promote what? Seed germination. They break. And what is the role of scutellum? Guys, scutellum release such kind of enzyme which are helpful for break down this layer. What they do? They secrete such enzymes, they synthesize such kind of enzyme so they can easily break this proteinaceous layer. Now clear? This is the exam point of view, competitive exam point of view question. Now you clear, guys. I think you are better clear. Now you can identify how, now you can easily identify what are the monocot seed and what are the dicot seed. Okay, let's quickly study about formula, floral diagram with their floral formula. Guys, this is the sign for what? Symmetry. Then these are the radial symmetry, these are the zygomorphic symmetry, and these are the irregular symmetry. If I draw this sign, it means they are radial. If I draw this, then what you say? This is the zygomorphic. If I draw this, it means they are asymmetric. That's it. And what kind of K is symbolized? Calyx, guys. Sepal, greeny leafy part. Remember? C means corolla. Petals, guys. Petal. Colorful part. A means androecium. G means gynoecium. These arrow, na, down, this arrow, up, this thing, underline, they indicate their ovary locations. Okay, now let's move. Whatever I explained here, now already all things are written here. Look at here, now the symbol of male, the symbol of female. Which kind of arrangement means superior ovary, means they are bisexual, means male and female in both flower. Single flower contain what? Female part as well as male part. If I use only single this thing, it means these kind of flower, they contain what? They contain only what? They contain only male part. If I use this single thing, it means they contain only what? They contain only female part. Now clear? Very clear. Let's start with Fabaceae. Important, guys. Your long-term question, your class 11 theoretical exam, important. They give you some example like explain the floral diagram and formula of Fabaceae. Then you have to remember this thing. Clear or not? You have to remember, guys. This is not a shortcut. You have to write it. The Fabaceae, this family was earlier called Papinoideae. Okay, you have to. Leguminosae means legume plant. If you hear this term, if you hear legumes term, pea plant, beans plant, you have that time click this example that yes, leguminosae, it means they pea and beans are belong with leguminaceae plant. It means in Fabaceae we have to draw pea, and that time you assume what the plant feature that is pea plant have stem. Yes, pea plant have stem. What kind of stem? They have tendrils or not? They have thorns or not? You have to remember that okay, pea plant, yeah, they have stem, yes, as well as they have root, they have leaves. What kind of leaves? These are the features of their leaves. You have that time, these things have to click in your mind. Okay, if you remember this diagram now, you can easily write down 10 to 15 points. How ma'am? How we write 10 to 15 diagram if we remember this diagram? Guys, simple. This is the floral character. Listen to me. These are the floral character like inflorescence type, flower type. Is they have calyx, their arrangement corolla, their arrangement androecium, gynoecium, fruit, floral formula, and that's it. Economic importance. Now, guys, this diagram you can, if you remember now this diagram, you can easily write down 10 to 12 points, 10 to 15 points, one by one. Explain. What is the sign? What is the sign? What is the sign, guys? This is the zygomorphic sign. Zygomorphic sign. Zygomorphic means we can also call it as a bilateral symmetry. Means if we cut bilaterally, only bilaterally, if we cut, then they divide to equal part of the flower. Now clear? So 1 point is what? They are zygomorphic. They are what? Zygomorphic. And write down what is zygomorphic. And you have to write down there and what is the zygomorphic. Now let's move towards the calyx part. Look at here the calyx arrangement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means they have 5 calyx. I told you na, the green leafy part. It may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, guys. Look at here, this is the pea plant. Look at here, their fruit. Look at their flower. Look at their androecium arrangement. One set is here and another set is here. One set is here and another set. I already described everything. I already described this arrangement. They present in a one bunch. They present in a two bunch. And if they present in many bunches. This is a stamen. This is the arrangement of stamen. Stamen must be present in one bunch. They may be present in two bunches, two bundles. It may be presented in multiple bundles, multiple bunches. Yes or not? They present in two bundles. One set is here and another set is here. Another. Okay, let's identify calyx part. What you identify for watching this calyx? They have 5 calyx. Another point, they have 5 calyx. Write down about calyx part. What you understand by calyx? What you understand by zygomorphic? Okay, you have to write one line definition. What you understand by calyx? This is the green leafy part which can cover the petals. Okay, this is the outermost layer. Okay, you have to write. Okay, 2 to 3 points you have to write that what you know about calyx, what you know about zygomorphic symmetry. Okay, you have to write. Otherwise, no one give you marks. Okay, make sure. Now, they attach at margin. Definitely, they attach at margin. They show valvate arrangement. Valvate arrangement is this. Only margin will touch. Now, let's move towards the. Let me erase. Wait. Let me erase. Let me erase. Now, okay. Now, this time for corolla. This time for corolla. And how many corollas there? 1, 2, 3, and this is 5, guys. These are attached. Now, these are 5. 5. So, these are corolla. What you know about corolla? This is a colorful plant which can covered by calyx. They are 5 in number. Clear or not? And what kind of arrangement they will show? What kind of arrangement will show? All things are written here. All things are written here. Corolla. All things are written here. That they show vexillary arrangement. One leaf is large. Look at here. Remember? Now you better remember. This kind of arrangement shown by vexillary distribution. And look at here. Androecium is diadelphous. If I use monoadelphous, then you have to say, ma'am, only one bunch is present. one bunch is present. If I use diadelphous, it means two bunches are present. Two bunches are present. This is the diadelphous. And if I use polyadelphous, then you have to say that ma'am, there is multiple bunch of stamen is present. Means more than two. Okay, now clear. You have to write about what is zygomorphic, you have to write about calyx, you have to write about corolla. Then move towards the androecium part. What kind of arrangement? This set is attached. One set is this and another set is this. Clear or not? Means they are diadelphous. Two set. Next is gynoecium. Ovary superior, monocarpillary. Look at here now, ovary superior, their arrangement. If you remember this thing now, you can easily write 10 to 15 points. You have to explain what is androecium, this is the male part, they arrange in what manner. Gynoecium, you have to explain this is the female part and their arrangement what in manner. There is a economic importance. Now, in our next video, we will discuss about solanacy. Okay, so that's all for now, and thank you for listening me, for watching my video. Thank you. Thanks a lot for supporting me. Thanks a lot.